Hi, Kathy with Atlanta Area Property Management. The homes we're looking at today is actually an apartment complex with 10 units. It has been just renovated and they are lovely. They're all 2-bedroom, 1-bath with very high-end appointments. The apartment complex is currently behind a construction gate, but soon to be a gated community. It is located off Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, and it is very close to I-20. So it's easy access to downtown Atlanta, the airport, almost everywhere around Atlanta. It is in the heart of Atlanta. So let's go take a look. Here is the apartment complex. You see that there's 10 units, 5 on top and 5 on the lower level. And the ones that are available today, there's 2 that are on the upper level, and we go through a stairwell door. Climbing up the stairs. There are 2 apartments on each side, plus there's access to the backyard. The unit we're going to go into right here is the one on the left. And when you enter, it is a very spacious living room. It's got fresh light gray paint with beautiful laminate flooring. It has windows that flood the room, and we're just going to take a peek here, but it does have a small deck out the back. Enough for morning coffee. So taking a look, it's a very open floor plan. It has granite counters, this beautiful gray cabinetry. It has brushed nickel hardware. Right, and it does have a dishwasher. It has microwave, a range, and a refrigerator. But that's the open floor plan. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. You just head over this way, short hall. On in here. Here's one of the bedrooms. Again, very bright. Let's just take a look. Closet, beautiful floors. And then we'll go around the corner to the next bedroom. This bedroom is just a little smaller. So could be a bedroom, could be an office. And then coming around, now these 2 doors are actually the systems, water heater and the furnace. And then this is the bathroom. Beautiful custom tile surround and on the floor. New bathtub. And this is what the sink looks like. And then you just step out and now you're back into the living room. These condos are just gorgeous. High-end appointments in a gated community off of Martin Luther King Boulevard Drive and very close to downtown Atlanta, Hartsfield Airport, entertainment, a lot of restaurants in the area. So get a tour set up, get your application in, and let's get you moved in.